Welcome to the Saturday edition of Spotting Tampa International. 1-9 right in action this morning. Delta 737-900 Red Eye from SLC, Salt Lake City. 3 hours and 35 minutes this morning. It's Griswold, our bear livery from Frontier, arriving from Denver. That makes sense, he's been up in the Rocky Mountains. There he is. Let the construction noise begin. Lovely. Special livery action. Love it. Well, this is self-explanatory in the noise. I'm betting into the wall of shame. What do you bet? Into the wall of shame. Oh yeah. Not even close. Back-to-back special livery. Oh, no surprise, all dark like that, UPS. A300 comes in. I think that's a, should be a school bus. Spirit. Oh yeah. Yellow. Prime 767 heavy jet to CVG. Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky Airport. An hour and 43 minutes to cover the 773 miles this morning. Up and away. Blast off. American. Oh my goodness, they finally got the memo. 11:89, the 737 to DFW at 6 a.m. Take a look, the tail light is finally working. It's all lit up, it's beautiful. The power of the internet. Looking good, my friends. You're back in the video. Can you believe it? Now that the plane's turned around, the right side is not lit up. Oh, they're halfway looking good. Well, it shouldn't surprise me as Delta and American futzed around backing up. Who do you think's first out? Oh yeah, Southwest. (1,043 miles to MKE, Milwaukee, Wisconsin this morning. Bet you it's a little cooler than here. Going up to 89 today, still hot, still muggy, and it looks like the storm is from noon time until about 5 this morning or this afternoon. That's why I'm not a weatherman, a weather person, or meteorologist, or any of those. 27 years old. 757 rocket ship service to ATL. The world's busiest airport, Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson Maynard International Airport. Watch this blast off. No wall of shame for these guys. An hour and 3 minutes this morning. Well, 11:89 at least is taking off with the good light on. So yes, All-American. How much better that looks. Proudly light up that flag. Whoa. Wall of shame this morning for these guys? Oh, badly. It's not been a good week for America.